Peak Bank. It's a name you might have seen online, especially if you're searching for high-yield savings accounts or CDs. They've been making a name for themselves in the digital banking space. But what's the real story behind this bank? How long has Peak Bank actually been around? The answer isn't as simple as you might think. There isn't just one Peak Bank with a single long history. The name can refer to a few different institutions, and understanding which one you're talking about is key. The online-only bank we see today, known for its high-yield savings products, is a division of a larger, established institution. This new Peak Bank was created by Idaho First Bank to specifically serve the growing market of customers who prefer to manage all their finances exclusively online. Idaho First Bank itself has been around for nearly 20 years, bringing a solid foundation and experience to its online division. But there's also a completely different bank that has used the name Peak Bank in the past. Peak National Bank, for example, was founded in Nederland, Colorado, back in 1986. It operated for over 2 decades before being acquired in 2007. And to add another layer of confusion, there was a completely separate entity in Nigeria called Peak Merchant Bank, which was licensed in 1991. However, its banking license was revoked in 2003 by the Central Bank of Nigeria due to financial issues. So, when you hear Peak Bank, it's important to clarify which one is being discussed. The modern, online-first Peak Bank is a recent creation, leveraging the established trust and infrastructure of Idaho First Bank. It's built for the digital age, a response to how people bank today. The older, physical Peak Banks had their own unique histories, but they are separate from the online bank we are familiar with now. The main takeaway? The digital Peak Bank you're likely seeing ads for is a relatively new player, born from a respected community bank to meet the demand for online-only financial services. While the name might have a longer history in different contexts, this specific incarnation is very much a product of the 21st century.